What's up, my good people? Part 2 of the aesthetic tutorials. Let's talk about icons. Yeah, here we go. Now, what you want to look at is my home screen. See the different icons I got there? Oh yeah, I got the widgets too. You can flip them. Yeah, pretty nice. I got the date, and I got another date. I got my weather. I got my Google. If I'm going to go straight to Google, boom. You know, I got all that good stuff. Let's go back to the date. Yep. Also, I got my QR code link. Got everything on there. All my social media websites, you name it. All right, so let's get started. Pull down your screen, and you're going to do for the search button, you can go to Shortcuts. That's right. It's an app called Shortcuts. Very powerful. I got mine already ready. Click Shortcuts, and here are all my shortcuts I done already created. Quite a bit. I'm just getting started, y'all. We're growing together on this business thing. What you want to do is hit that plus sign at the top right-hand corner. There it is. New shortcut. Create one. Oh, that's right. We create one for our app. So let's click Add Action, right? All right, looks good. So there's a lot of stuff on here. Go to Scripting, right there, that gray X. You want to click Scripting, push it, boom. All right, so what we're going to do is we want to open the app because we're going to replace the app, right? So we're going to go ahead and click this Open App. All right, so as you see, it says, okay, it's going to do some scripting. Can't talk. Let's do choose, right? We're going to click choose what app we want to script for our icon. I got tons of apps on there. I need to delete some, man. It's too many. All right, so let's just do Amazon. Everybody shops at Amazon. Boom, there we go. Shortcut, open up Amazon. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get this party started. Go to the top right-hand corner, hit next, and we're just gonna name the shortcut, okay? Not the icon, just the shortcut. So the shortcut is just for the Amazon app. That's right. Type in Amazon. That's right. And we're going to click done at the top right-hand corner. All right. Now it's created a shortcut for Amazon right there. It's yellow. It's hard to see, but don't worry. I got you. We're going to do this. All right. So that little circle has 3 dots in it. Click that little circle once you create the shortcut. All right. There it is. We're going to go ahead and hit the other 3 dots right at the top, right up underneath done. Click them 3 dots. Click it, Kev. There we go. All right. Now, this is where we add it to the home screen. The icon we're going to add to the home screen, the shortcut. Click add to home screen. Boom, there it is. So now it shows you a preview of what it looks like. Boring, right? We want to get this aesthetic look for your business, your brand. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in first. Let's talk about the name of the icon. You can leave it as is. Just like the shortcut, if you want to name it Amazon, that's fine. Just like your normal icons on your home screen and on your iPhone, they got a name. I don't like the name, so I'm going to keep it real clean. You could type in, okay, let's do it, DJ Kev's Amazon. Nah, let's get this clean aesthetic look. So I don't even use names. I know what the apps look like. I know the visual, so I'm good with that. Next, we're going to change that ugly icon. All right, here's where my packs come in, the theme packs, y'all. Make sure you order in those. They're only $20. You get over 144 icons. Let me tap one for you. This is the mountain theme. You don't necessarily have to use those pictures, but it's all color themed for you. Got some dope ones, y'all. All right, so let's go back, all right? So I got the Amazon. Click that. Yep, that looks pretty good to me. That's the theme I'm going for. I choose it. Boom, there it is. It's changed it. Dope, right? Yeah, I know you like that. All right, so what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and add it. Click that add button at the top. Boom, there it is. Add it to the home screen. Voila. Click done. Yep, click done again. And let's go ahead and hit the home button so we can find this bad boy. There it is. Looks good, don't it? All right, only one more final thing. Oh, don't let me call him up. You know, I can't stand to hear her talk. All right, so what you want to do is you want to take and hold your screen, and that's how you move your new created icon, aesthetic icon, around to your home page. All right, so let's go ahead and launch it. There it is. See, launched Amazon. You're ready to go. Works just like a regular app. All right, subscribe for